Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, where I'm finding and making keto-friendly recipes that will keep us focused, satisfied, and in keto. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So today, you guys, I am making some brownies that are going to be moist, obviously delicious, chocolatey, and they are going to have peanut butter in the center. And another thing, you guys, instead of putting them in a 8x8 pan and cutting them into squares, I am going to use a muffin tin and I'm going to turn these into a brownie cupcake. So if you want to learn how to make these delicious peanut butter filled brownies, stay with me and I'll show you how coming up next. All right, everyone, welcome back. So we are going to start with whisking 2 eggs. And these eggs, you guys, are room temperature. And to this, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. One stick of melted butter, and of course this butter is cooled, otherwise it will cook these eggs. Okay, next we're going to add 1/4 cup of brown sweetener. And then 1/4 cup and 1 tablespoon of the sweetener of your choice, and I'm using erythritol. All right, now at this point I am going to mix this into 1.5 cups of almond flour. Okay, now that this is well combined, I am going to add to it 4 ounces of melted chocolate. All right, you guys, this batter is ready. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to bring over these muffin tins. And then we're going to fill them part way with some of this batter. We're going to put some peanut butter in them and then complete filling these cups. All right, so just give me a moment to clear this out and I'll be right back with you. All right, everyone. Let's go ahead and start filling these muffin tins. All right, you guys, time for the peanut butter. probably about a quarter to a half a teaspoon of peanut butter for each one of these. All right, now all we need to do at this point is to top this off. Guys, I'm just smoothing this out so that it will bake evenly. And then once I do that, I'm gonna top them with some chocolate chips, and into the oven they will go. All right, now for the chocolate chips. I'm just gonna press these in a little bit. You guys, these are ready for the oven, and which has preheated to 350 degrees, and 350 degrees, I don't know if that's what I said, but they are going to bake for 30 to 35 minutes. So the next time you see me, you guys, these will be ready and we will give them a taste. All right, everyone, welcome back. These are out of the oven. They have cooled, and now it's time to give them a taste. All right. That looks amazing. Lord, I thank you. All right. Let's break this open. Oh, God. Yum. These are exactly the way I said at the beginning. They are chocolatey, if that's a word. They are moist, and let's try out the delicious. That's so good. Oh, that's so good. Wow. Again, the blend of the chocolate and the peanut butter. Again, another recipe, you guys, you have got to give a try. So good. All you need is a glass of almond milk or some coffee, which is what I would do because I love coffee. And just kick back, relax, and enjoy. Give it a try, you guys. And when you do, leave your comments below, and let's all know just how delicious these are. I promise you, you will not go wrong with this recipe. Give this video a thumbs up. Please do share, and please do press that subscribe button below. And remember, you guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say Too, where I am finding and making and trying keto-friendly recipes to keep us focused, satisfied, and in keto, you guys. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you soon.